What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Cubby Walker podcast. If you're new here, my name is Cubby Walker. And so, Mississippi State, 66, Auburn, 88. What is your final? In the plains of Auburn on Saturday. The question is it time to hit the panic button? Because you lost two straight, and it's not going to get easy. You have Ole Miss coming this weekend, and they're really good. Ole Miss is really good, and they get the benefit of the doubt because they're really good. So is it time to hit the panic button? I mean, I would say not necessarily. If you win this weekend, if you lose, probably so. But you don't need to lose against Ole Miss. But back to the game, it was just was it Mississippi State's night? They fell behind 10-0. At one point in the game got up to got down 20-17, I believe. And Ole Miss and Auburn just cruised the rest of the way. So I don't know. And Janai Broome wasn't even playing for Auburn. He was hurt. So, and you still couldn't win. I mean, Auburn's still a good team. They're still going to do big things in this league and in March Madness, obviously. But with their best player out, you should have. I mean, you at least should have kept it close, but you didn't. You lost by 20 points or so. It just didn't go the way Mississippi State wanted it to. And, going back to the Kentucky game, well, we already did a reaction video on that, but I think. But, I mean, so, and Josh Hubbard is not himself. You can see that in the way he's playing. He's just not like he used to. I mean, I'll take that back. He's good. He's good. I mean, he's a good player. But you need him to score. I mean, you don't need him to score 20 or 20 plus, but you want him to score 20 plus, because if he does that, the other guys could have a big night too. So, but Mississippi State loses 88-66. They fall to 2-2 in SEC play. Big next couple games. Ole Miss, I think Ole Miss comes to town. I think you go to Tennessee. Alabama comes to town. So I mean, maybe not. I think maybe, I don't know if that's it. I know Ole Miss is coming this weekend, but think you play Tennessee and Alabama next week. So we'll see. But is it time to hit the panic button? I don't think, but could be getting close. So thank you guys. I'll catch y'all down the road. God bless.